Felipe Jacinto Nyusi is a Mozambican politician serving as the fourth president of Mozambique since 2015. He is the current leader of FRELIMO, the party that has governed Mozambique since its independence from Portugal in 1975. The FRELIMO government has been described as authoritarian by the Economist Intelligence Unit, Monjan et al. And Manning et al. Additionally, he has served as the chairman of the Southern African Development Community since August 2020. Nyusi served as the Minister of Defense from 2008 to 2014 under Armando Guebuza. He won the 2014 and 2019 Mozambican presidential elections as the candidate of FRELIMO. Despite allegations of irregularities, the president of the National Election Commission stated that the elections were free, fair and transparent, with the constitutional count verifying the result on the 23rd of December 2019. However, according to the European Union Election Observation Mission in Mozambique, Commonwealth Observer Group, and the U.S. Embassy in Mozambique, the 2019 election was characterized by instances of fraud, intimidation, and the murders of opposition leaders and election observers. The president of the National Election Commission acknowledged that the 2019 elections were marked by irregularities, stating that is why when announced the results, nobody heard saying that the elections were free, fair and transparent. During his time in office, President Nyusi has promoted peace and security, and signed multiple agreements with the main opposition parties, RENAMO, to bring a definitive and lasting peace to Mozambique. During his time in office from 2015 to 2018, the poverty reduction trend observed between 2009 to 11 and 2015 reversed direction. The number of multidimensionally poor people increased from about 21.3 to about 22.2 million people from 2015 to 2018, with the extra million poor people mainly located in rural areas of the central provinces. Since March 2015, at least 10 high-profile figures have been killed in Mozambique. These include leaders of opposition parties, journalists, and academics. Previously, no similarly defined high-profile leaders of opposition parties and academics were reported killed. Since the peace accord of 1992 between RENAMO and FRELIMO, Nyusi has also been accused of abuse of power. For example, some 90,000 school desks publicly delivered by Nyusi in September 2018 were manufactured by a company 50% owned by his daughter. Furthermore, court documents filed by Jean Boustany in the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of New York in 2019 and by Iskandar Sarfar in the High Court of Justice in London in 2021 alleged that Nyusi received up to $2 million in bribes in 2014 in connection with illegal loans, which caused an economic crisis in Mozambique when he was the Minister of Defense and/or afterward. His office time has been marked by the escalation of the war in Mozambique's central and northern regions. Nyusi was born in Namao in Mueda District, Cabo Delgado Province, belonging to the Mak-owned ethnic group. Both his parents were veterans of the liberation movement, FRELIMO, at the start of the Mozambican War of Independence. He was taken across the Ruvuma River to neighboring Tanzania, where he was educated at FRELIMO Primary School in Tunduru. He pursued his secondary education at the FRELIMO School at Mariri in Cabo Delgado and at Samora Machel Secondary School in Beira. In 1973, aged 14, he joined FRELIMO and received political and military training at Nachingwea in Tanzania. In 1990, he completed his mechanical engineering degree at Antonin Zapatheki Military Academy in Brno, Czechoslovakia, now the Czech Republic's University of Defense. Prior to his appointment to the cabinet by President Armando Guebuza, Nyusi worked for the state-owned Mozambique Ports and Railways Authority. He became the executive director of CFM Norte, the northern division of the company. In 1995, he joined the company's board of directors in 2007. From 1993 to 2002, Nyusi served as the president of Clube Ferroviário de Nampula, a top division football club based in Nampula. He is also a lecturer at the Nampula campus of the Universidade Pedagógica, a fellow of the Africa Leadership Initiative, and a member of the National Committee of Fighters of the National Liberation Struggle. He received further training in management in India, South Africa, Swaziland, and the United States. Nyusi took office as Minister of Defense on 27 March 2008. Succeeding Tobias Vakim Dai, Nyusi's appointment came almost exactly 1 year after the fire. The resulting explosions of munitions at the Malazine Armory in Maputo killed more than 100 people and destroyed 14,000 homes. A government-appointed investigative commission concluded that negligence played a role in the disaster, and Dai was blamed by many for failing to act on time to prevent the loss of life. In September 2012, Nyusi was elected to the Central Committee of FRELIMO, the ruling party, at